Breaking news. Monkeys everywhere are going bananas over artificial intelligence stocks. Banana chips are flying, prices are exploding, and every jungle investor suddenly calls themselves a tech visionary. From banana traders to treehouse barbers, everyone's buying something called AI. But behind all the hype, one big question remains. Is this the future of the jungle economy, or just another big shiny banana bubble?
In every generation, there comes a story that sounds too good to be true. In the 1600s, monkeys fought over tulips. In the 1990s, they fought over dot-coms. And now, in the 2020s, they're fighting over artificial intelligence. Or, as Monkey calls it, metal brain magic that makes banana predictions. AI is the new jungle god. It writes poems, paints pictures, makes business plans, and even tells Monkey which banana stock to buy. Companies that had nothing to do with AI suddenly add AI to their names, and boom, stock price up 200%. Banana smoothie shop? Now it's Banana Smoothie AI, banana delivery service, BananaGPT. The hype is contagious. AI has become the hottest fruit in the market. Companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft, OpenAI, and every monkey startup with the word neural in it are worth more leaves than entire countries. Investors call it the next industrial revolution. Monkey calls it the next banana fever. Because here's how it works. When something feels new and unstoppable, investors start believing it will only go up. They don't ask how it makes money. They just fear missing out. The result? Prices rise, not because the companies are earning more bananas, but because monkeys think they will. That's the key ingredient of every bubble ever. In the dot-com bubble, every jungle startup promised to revolutionize the internet. In reality, half of them just sold digital coconuts. It ended the same way. Prices soared, monkeys bragged, and then one day, the vines snapped. The strongest apes survived. The rest disappeared like smoke. AI might be different in technology, but not in behavior, because monkey psychology never upgrades. Let's talk numbers. In 2023, NVIDIA became a trillion-dollar company, powered by AI chips that feed machine brains. That's great, right? But then hundreds of other companies, from electric car startups to coffee chains, claim to have AI plans. Some literally added AI to their names just to attract investors. It worked. Stock prices jumped overnight. No profits. No new inventions. Just new buzzwords. That's when you know banana madness has started. Imagine a monkey trader in the jungle. He sees his friend making leaves off BananaBot AI. He doesn't understand what it does, but he doesn't want to miss out. So he invests his savings. Soon, every monkey in the tribe joins in, because nobody wants to be the only one without bananas. Prices rise, optimism grows, and everyone feels rich. Until the first monkey tries to sell. Then panic spreads faster than jungle fire. Because once bananas stop going up, everyone rushes to exit at the same time. But there's never enough buyers left. That's how bubbles burst. Now, let's be clear. AI is real. It's powerful. It's transformative. And it's already changing how monkeys work, learn, and waste time on the internet. But that doesn't mean every AI company deserves infinite bananas. Even real revolutions have bubbles. During the dot-com crash, the internet didn't die. It just burned away the scams and left real companies behind. Amazon survived. Google thrived. The same will happen with AI. The strong apes with real tools will stay. The banana hype artists will vanish. There's also a funny trick happening behind the scenes. Big companies are using AI hype not just for innovation, but for stock inflation. They mention AI in earnings calls just to sound exciting to investors. It's called banana buzz marketing. And it works. If a company says AI 3 times in one meeting, their stock might rise faster than an energy drink monkey climbing a tree. But if you read the fine print, half of them are just using AI to write emails or automate PowerPoints. That's not revolution. That's convenience. Here's where monkey gets serious. Every bubble starts with a truth, then turns into a fantasy. AI is the truth. But the fantasy is that everyone can get rich off it instantly. That's what drives the mania. It's not technology. It's emotion, greed, fear, and the ancient jungle disease called FOMO. And the signs are all there. Monkeys buying AI stocks without understanding what they do. Startups raising billions with no profits. Analysts promising a new golden age. Everyone saying, this time it's different. It never is. At some point, the music slows. Growth fades. Reality sneaks in like a hungry monkey after dark. Earnings disappoint. Expectations deflate. And the banana traders finally realize they weren't buying profits. They were buying dreams. For a while, the jungle pretends not to notice. Analysts keep smiling. Headlines still say, temporary dip, and influencers keep posting, buy the banana. But deep down, everyone feels it. The vines are trembling. Prices are higher than logic allows. Even the loudest monkeys on financial TikTok start whispering words like valuation and earnings per share, words they hadn't used since the last crash. Then comes the correction, or as the jungle calls it, the great banana drop. It doesn't happen all at once. First, one company misses expectations, then another. Then, a big one loses half its leaves overnight. The mood shifts fast. Suddenly, the same monkeys who were screaming to the moon last week are now pretending they sold early. But a correction isn't the end of the story. It's just the jungle taking a deep breath after a sugar rush. It's when the hype phase ends and reality quietly walks back into the room. And that's when the real value begins to show itself. Because when the shouting stops and the easy money leaves, only the true builders remain. The monkeys who actually understand what they're growing, not just what they're selling. These are the patient apes, the engineers, the innovators still coding while the rest of the jungle panics. Every great boom goes through this cycle. During the internet bubble, 90% of the web companies vanished, but the 10% that stayed changed the world. Amazon, Google, Apple, they all looked like overhyped bananas at first. But once the noise died, they built trees that still stand today. The same will happen with AI. The hype monkeys will fade, but the builders, the ones using AI to solve real problems, not just make flashy demos, will remain. They'll use this technology to cure diseases, optimize energy, and teach monkey children faster than ever before. The bubble doesn't destroy innovation. It just clears the weeds so the strong trees can grow. That's the jungle's natural reset button. So when the banana drop finally comes, don't panic. It's not a signal to run. It's a reminder to look closely at which monkeys are still standing when the storm hits. Because after every crash, a new jungle grows, quieter, smarter, and stronger than the one before. Monkey has seen this movie before. In every bubble, young monkeys get rich fast. Old monkeys warn them, and nobody listens. Then the vines snap, and suddenly everyone remembers that trees have gravity. The great AI stock bubble might not pop today or tomorrow, but make no mistake, it will test every greedy monkey in the jungle. Because the question isn't if AI will change the world. It already is. The real question is how much banana hype the jungle can handle before the next correction. So next time you hear a monkey saying, AI will make me rich, just remember, the last monkey who said that was buying tulips, not tech stocks. AI might be the future, but banana bubbles, those never change.